Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Wednesday. Today is October the 15th. Yes, we are in the middle of October already. So we're out here in Gainesville, Georgia. Did not have to go into the city today. This is a client, Amanda. I came out here about 2 weeks ago, did an in-home consultation. They booked on the spot for today. Shout out to my guy, Christian. Him and his moving guys came out and moved the furniture this morning. Also, a lot of you guys are always asking me about wood floor maintenance, how to learn how to do what I do. I have a new lead page down in the description, so check that out. So what we're going to be doing today here, guys, is 1,138 square feet of old pine floors. Has a lot of missing soft grain. We're going to do a color correction, and then we're also going to do screen recoat with UV-Cure. Again, 1,138 square feet. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going on this beautiful day today. All right, guys, so we're out here in Gainesville, Georgia. All right, not far. The lake is literally right there. I think there's a Lake Lanier. And what we're going to be doing today, let's show you what we got going. So Christian and all his guys, they got the furniture moved this morning. All right, and what we're going to be doing, they're going to be coming back today. So this is the floors right here, guys. This is a pine floor right here. Pine floor is a very soft floor. So if you have dogs, it doesn't not necessarily scratch, but what we call indentions, because it's very soft. But you see all this right here, guys, all this missing grain. So we're going to add some color back, because we can't add wood back to it. But what we can do is camouflage it with color. So all through here, here, here. So I'm going to start screening. I'm going to hook it up to my dust ports, and I'm kind of going lower on grit here. These are Corian countertops, what I was just looking at, and all through the kitchen area. All right, guys, we're going to get started and make these floors look good, and then the guys will be coming back today to put the furniture back. Stay tuned.
Yeah. Gainesville, Georgia. Old pine floors, new shine. UV glow. Bring that light to life to them trees.
Distressed and proud, yeah, they tell their tale, but we bring that UV-Cure, never fail. Heart of pine, we make it shine under that Recoat glow tonight. Satin dreams on southern time in Gainesville, where them floors come alive. Guitars on high, Recoat flowing like a Georgia sky. Every swirling stroke, it's a piece of pride. We're locking in beauty sealed from time. That Recoat light's burning bright. Old meets new in a Georgia night. From rough cut boards to mirror line, we cure it strong, one pass at a time. Southern nights, from red clay roofs to
That is gonna do it. These floors look so much better. Again, a lot of the soft grain is gone, so these floors will have to be sanded completely down. My client did say she got a quote to sand these floors a little bit over $8,000, and that's not even including the quarter rounds, and they have some really good quarter rounds. They'll probably be looking at, just in quarter rounds, probably another $1,500 to $2,000. So for what we did today, guys, for a fraction of the price, this job was $36,000. And I will say this floor is definitely 75–80% better than what it was. And it has some great protection on it, the Recoat UV-Cure, and it was done in 1 day. And that's one of the things that my clients love about this service is the 1 day, because that's what Amanda said. She's like, Courtney, what are we going to, they said it would took a week to sand and then another few weeks before we could put furniture back. And the reason why, guys, because if they tell you 2 weeks before you can put furniture back, that's usually because they're using oil base. That's not the same with water base. So overall, man, these floors came out a whole lot better. As you guys can see, again, it's not perfect, and it won't be perfect depending on the floors. Now, you saw the floor that we did yesterday. That floor is in really, really good shape. So it was a great candidate for screen and recoat. So one of the main things about this floor is just getting the good protection on the floor so it doesn't get worse. But overall, it looks a whole lot better. A whole lot better. All right, guys, that's going to do it. I'm going to go home and get some rest because we have a busy day tomorrow. We have 2 projects tomorrow and a consultation. We're doing the Atlanta Women's Club again. They've been using me for a little bit over 4 years. We're going to be doing the upstairs for the second time. We did it about 4 or 5 years ago, and they're going to be doing the UV-Cure this time because back then I was not doing the UV-Cure, just the 2-component, which I still do, but most people like the UV-Cure. Then we got to shoot up to Douglasville. A contractor called me yesterday. Somebody put some type of film on a brand new floor, and the homeowner is going to be home Friday. And he was like, man, can you please help us? Because this homeowner is going to be here Friday. And if they see these floors, we're going to be in trouble. So I told them I will make arrangements to come up there tomorrow. So what we're going to do is get the coating down at the Atlanta Women's Club, shoot up to Douglasville, and then come back and UV-Cure. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.